Hello teacher and friend. Today we will talk about present perfect with for and sin.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and this week we'll learn about the difference between for and since. For and since are always very difficult for my students. In fact, I hear students mistaking them almost every day, but it's very simple once you learn my trick. Let's get started.
Sorry, I am late.
Don't worry. Today you can teach about present perfect with for and sin.
Yes, I can teach you.
Do you know use the present perfect with for and sin?
I don't know.
Okay, let's get start. How to use present perfect with for and sin? For and sin are used to say how long something has been going on for. Use sin when you talk about a point in time. We use sin to say when something started. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Could you give us an example?
I have had this T-shirt since 2007. I have had this phone since 2007.
I have not eaten anything since 8 o'clock.
Use for when you talk about a time period. We use for to describe the length of time. Example: I have known him for a few days. You understand me about this you today.
Yes, we understand. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For can be used in the present, the past, and the future. Since can only be used in the present perfect or the past perfect, not in the future.